Hello gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a watch market update, and you know on what brand? That's right, you know which one, on Rolex. But before I get into that, let's go into my magical intro. So hello guys, I'm back, and today we're going to talk about the watch market. On what brand? On Rolex. That's right, we're going to talk about Rolex, and you guys are in for a big surprise. The first watch I'm going to talk to you about is that watch right there. That one right there. The Rolex Date. That's right, rose gold with the olive green dial. Do you guys know that at one moment that watch was at $95,000, $90,000, $85,000? You won't believe how much that watch has dropped. You won't believe how much it has dropped. It has dropped so much, it's unbelievable. Let's just put it this way. 2 weeks ago, that watch was selling and trading at $56,000, $58,000, $56,000. That watch today, right now as we speak, is trading right now at $52,000. That's right, that watch right now is trading at $52,000. And I got offer one for $51,000. And I said, nope, I don't want it. I'll take it at retail, because the watch market is dead. The watch market is dead. Don't let them keep on selling you wet dreams and fantasies out there. The watch market is dead. You have all these, dealers right now doing competitions and different kind of games to get their salespeople to sell watches. I call them boiler room salesmen. I call them boiler room salesmen out there. They all get together in groups, A, B, C, and they put them into 3 groups to sell watches, because the watch market is dead. That watch was at $95,000. It's trading right now at $51,000 and dropping. The watch market is dead. I know you don't want to hear it, but the watch market is dead. Okay? That's my #1 watch right now. I'm starting with #1. The Date rose gold with the olive green dial. $51,000. From $95,000 to $51,000. And if I would have made an offer of $50,000, they'll give it to me too. But I don't want it. I want it at retail. The watch market is dead. Let's go to #2. So the #2 watch is this beautiful rose gold and stainless steel GMT root beer. This watch at one moment was at $35,000. Then it was trading at $25,000. And then at $23,000. And right now, that watch is trading at $17,000. $17,000. But they're telling you the market is back and running. Ay, señor. Mamma mia. $17,000 for a Rolex GMT root beer, rose gold and stainless steel. From $35,000 to $17,000. Nah. It's still dropping. Someone is selling me one for $16,000. But the watch market has settled. Don't believe a word they're telling you. Don't believe a word those boiler room salesmen and those watch dealers are telling you out there. The watch market is still dropping. Don't let them keep on selling you wet dreams and fantasies. You heard that right. The #2 watch of Rolex, the Rolex GMT stainless steel root beer, is selling for $16,000. The watch market is dead. Don't let them keep on fooling you boys and girls out there. Don't let them fool you. No more mumbo jumbo. Don't sell no fantasies. Don't let them sell you fantasies. The watch market is dead. a Rolex GMT root beer, stainless steel and rose gold for $16,000. I believe that watch is it's under retail already. That's number 2. Let's go to the number 3 watch. Let's go to the number 3 watch. You know, the number 3 watch is a watch that I bought a couple of months ago. You know, somebody called me and told me they had a brand new Rolex Submariner, blue ceramic bezel, black dial, white gold, fully sticker. And they told me that watch was their son's, and he bought it as an investment because he thought that watch was gonna hit $100,000. Anyway, to make the long story short, I purchased that watch from a gentleman, from the father of the young man that was trying to make $100,000 on it. I bought it for $45,000. They call that the Cookie Monster, the Blueberry, I don't know, all these names they put on them, you know? But again, it's a Submariner, blue ceramic bezel, black dial, white gold. I bought it for $45,000. Do you know how much that watch is trading right now for? I'm already losing. I'm losing. $39,000. I got offered one, fully sticker with a barcode, just like mine's. I bought mine for $45,000. If I would have held out for a couple of months, I would have get one for $39,000 and almost likely $38,000 under retail. That's right. That's what happens, you know? And they keep on telling you that the watch market is stabilized already. The watch market is dropping faster than Bill Clinton's pants in the Arkansas farmhouse. That's right, it's dropping faster. Don't let these chumps keep on selling you fantasies that the watch market is running. Don't let these boiler room salespeople tell you the watch market is back and running. Please. Let's go to my 4th watch from Rolex. You have the rose gold stainless steel. Wow. Wimbledon. The Wimbledon. That watch is selling right now at $13,500. I like them apples. And the watch market is settling. Can you believe that watch is costing $13,500? The Wimbledon, you know, the Wimbledon with the little white marker, you know, showing that it's Wimbledon. You know, I think it's in the, what is it, the 9 or the 3, somewhere. Yeah, the 93 has a little white, you know. $13,500. It's funny because I've been hearing different watch companies, you know, saying that they sold in the month of August 100 watches. 100 watches in the month of August they sold. Come on guys, get real. 100 watches in the month of August. Mamma mia. Did you hear that already? Did you hear? The Wimbledon? $13,500. $13,500. This thing is still sinking. Remember, I got burned already. I bought a $45,000 Submariner Cookie Monster, fully sticker with a barcode. I paid $45,000. They're selling me right now one for $39,000. And now you have the Wimbledon stainless steel and rose gold for $13,500. Is that crazy or what? But they're telling you the watch market is up and running and it's stabilizing already. Don't believe what they're telling you guys. Hold on to your money. So you can buy watches when all these people are on their knees. When they're on their knees is when you're gonna buy. Wimbledon, rose gold and stainless steel, $13,500. Hey guys, and guess what else? Rolex has increased the prices on their Rolex watches by a 4.2. Is that good for the consumer, or is it bad for the gray watch market? Honestly, I believe it's good for the consumer. Like me and you. Me and you. Me and you. 4.2. An increase in prices of 4.2. I think Rolex wants to finish off the Rolex secondary gray watch market. That's right. That's what I think they're doing. You know, it's incredible that, you know, you see all these different channels out there, and you see that they have also 20,000 subscribers, and they do a video and they have 56 views and 3 likes, but they have 20,000 subscribers. That should tell you a lot about those watch dealers, you know? 20,000 subscribers, 56, 74 views, 4 likes. Okay? Don't let them keep on selling you wet dreams. I have 500 subscribers and I get, I don't know, 400 views and 20 likes and 7 comments. Maybe the algorithm likes me. I don't know. I'm just saying, guys. So don't let these watch dealers, you know, give you lollipops and you suck on them. Okay? Don't be suckers. The watch market is still dropping, and dropping quick. All right? I mean that. Let's go into number. What is it? Number 5. This one is pretty much also a shocker. It's the Rolex Date President White Gold Olive Green Dial 2, or Green Dial, whatever you want to call it. That watch at one moment was at $85,000. That's right, $85,000. Reference 2282.39. Wow. $85,000 for a white gold date President with a green dial, olive green dial, army green dial, whatever you want to call it. They're selling me one right now, a 2017, for $41,000. $41,000. I said no, but from 85 to $41,000. $41,000. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is bad. This is really bad. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed my watch market update on Rolex watches. I can't tell you all of them today, so I'll save some more market prices for next week. I hope you enjoyed my video and you learned something of the Rolex prices, the way they're dropping. Don't believe what they're telling you. Don't believe the mumbo jumbo. The watch market is still dropping. The watch market is dead. Dead. The watch market is dead. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video and you learned something from the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this little channel I got going on with my 500 subscribers and my 400 views that I get every time I drop a new video, and my 7 likes. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So guys, take care and don't forget to brush your hair.